morning. It is Friday, and it is a good day in the neighborhood, baby. All right, today, heading to Ameritech. I'm about a block away, and we're going to get ahead and get a new proportioner system put in, and we are going to be rocking and a-rolling. Then we got a job to do after that. We got a corner lot with a house wash, pool cage to end the day, and then I moved everything that I had booked this afternoon to tomorrow, so it's going to be a long day tomorrow. I think we have 5 jobs on the books for tomorrow, so no rest for the wicked. But Sunday I'm going to take a day off. My wife and I are going to be burning some stuff up before the drought hits. Some more yard trimmings that we had, and that'll wrap it up. And then I'll go for a nice little bike ride and get back to work on Monday. But anyway, stay tuned for some installation of the proportioner at Ameritech Pressure Cleaning Systems. I'm Don. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look here. This is what we have right now. This is the old valve system. It's all going to be removed today. Put the proportioner in right there. And then we're going to come around over here. And then we're going to take hose A and hose B, and we're going to have a valve system that can turn on and off to operate both these tanks. And then the one down there is C, which used to be the batch tank for the Zeta, and we're going to have an on and off valve for that as well. So we'll be able to use all 3 tanks when we're using our Zeta 40P chem sprayer. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do some filming today, on and off throughout the day, through each process. All right, I'm Don from Tampa Fl. Let's get after it. All right, I'm standing here at Ameritech, and I'm looking at this Pro skid. And when I say pro, I mean professional. No 12 volts systems on this. Beautiful 36-inch surface cleaner. 8-gallon-minute machine. Got a gated gas tank. Nice toolboxes. Nice chem tank. Water buffer tank. Nice ladder rack on top. At Ameritech, they build real pressure washing rigs. Get out of that 12 volt market, everybody. Step up to the pump. Get after it. All right, and let the games begin. Starting to assemble this baby. This is high quality stuff right here. It's all custom made for Ameritech pressure washing systems. We'll be installing this baby on here, and things are going to be a lot easier. All right, we'll be right back. Get after it. Okay, who won at the gym?
It don't matter if you win by an inch or a mile.
He got me by like 2 seconds today.
2 seconds.
The old man
Gotta get the time in.
beat the young guy.
The old man, how old are you?
Whoa, Don, you don't
Never
ask a woman that.
his age.
Don't ask a woman his age. Oh, it's Bernadette.
Can't we put a 4.3 on 5 and just run it like 5? Yeah, that's okay.
Jump for the train on.
And then the other one is a 5 at 2,500. That's the one that you need to take to your casa. That's like my cat. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I want like an 8-gallon minute one also.
Well, you might want to get some more power, dog.
Get a substation put in.
Yeah.
So now, Don, it wasn't your valves bad. It was just a piece broke in between.
What's that?
The pieces broke in between.
It did.
Connector, it wasn't your valves were bad.
Well, good.
So technically, we should use these valves probably. Or we could.
No.
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 We should keep them in for backup.
Time
They're
and
not
money.
bad.
No. Throw them away, Don. Throw them away. You want to pay this guy $100-some an hour to change a broken valve that you should have done brand new from the start?
New valves are on top of the tank. That way down the road, you're gonna save them. Doesn't make sense.
It's called stepping on a dollar to pick up a dime, Don.
The dollar's up there on top of the tank now. You gotta change his though.
Stepping on a dollar to pick up a dime.
No.
Put new shit on that bitch. Oh, I can't say that. I'll be in trouble on YouTube.
Got to put some new stuff on there. He didn't mean to say that. We're not editing anything out here. He apologized. Go ahead.
Sorry.
I'm not sorry.
Sorry, everybody. I'm not sorry. It's like Pee Wee Herman. Hamburger.
Jerry, how are you today?
Sorry, not sorry.
That's good. Anyway, that's the progress so far. Here's our system. It's going to be awesome. All right, and here's the valve. Tank A, tank B. On and off. And then over there is tank C. And that's to turn the chlorine on from each tank to be fed into the line, into the proportioner. It's getting exciting. Get after it.
See how like you lay out the dump plant? Like what I do? Take that in the water, take that to the bracket. You have a bracket for that.
All right, so what they're doing right now is getting a location to put everything, have room for all the pipes and valves.
That way. Dumbass is the only one that we set up different because we want to get stupid ass three-way valve and flush water out.
Here's got a dog. It's a Maltese, cute little thing. It was new when we got it. It had a lamination on it and everything. And I had to clean its butthole for like 20 minutes. All right, I didn't have to. I apologize. That's the name of my book. I actually had a tattoo of a condom put on my penis because I don't want to use protection anymore.
Okay, so what's happening now is it's all marked. We got screw holes in the back of these valves. So it's going to go like this. Mount to this plate right here. And the plate will mount back over there. Alright? We'll be back. Alright, let's have a look down in the tank. You see the hose in there? So it's like a moonshine still now. That's a chiller hose. So when the fluid runs through there, it cools everything down. We live in Florida, so we don't know how good that's going to work. Anyway, all right, this valve here is for tank A and tank B. That's on and off. This is for tank C, and that is to draw the chlorine into the proportioner system that has been mounted right here. Doing some finishing touches, and then we'll be back for a final review of the whole system and how it works. Get after it. All right, the soap tank. This is going to be my chlorine dispenser. This is going to be the soap tank. for the Zeta. They're getting ready to, they're making a custom rack for that. And Aaron's over here doing oil changes. Look at this bitch. It's dirty. Every 100 hours, whether it needs it or not. We got our proportioner system put in. This is our dump valve, cleaning everything out. And I showed you the chiller inside the tank there. That's pretty cool. We're moonshiners now. And we'll just need to fill up with some SH before we leave. And then we'll be ready to get to work. Okay, so what do you think we're gonna put in here today? What do you think it's gonna be, huh? Of course, it's gonna be sticky icky.
Do it.
We have to fill it up. It's a virgin tank. Look at that stuff. It's beautiful, huh? This is the soap tank for the brand new proportioner. We're gonna put sticky icky in here because it's my favorite soap of all time. Gee, Tennessee, why is it your favorite soap?
No, because it smells like apples, dummy.
Oh, okay. I like apples too.
Get after it, Chumley.
Okay, boss.